Alignment is always important when it comes to you creating a life that is authentic to you. A lot of people try to manifest things that are not in alignment with themselves because they're trying to create what they think they should create. They're simply living out their programming, let's say from childhood, from media, from parents, etc. They may very well get those things, but they won't actually feel as good as they would if they were going after what's actually in alignment with who they really are. So when you manifest something that is true to your authentic desires, it'll be way more fulfilling and meaningful to you in the long run. So when you're working on manifesting a desire, make sure you're not doing it because you're coveting something that someone else has. Instead, ensure that it's something you really want, something that will bring you long-term happiness.